camber or cross slope along its profile. So what is camber or cross slope? Camber or cant. Cant is expressed in railways and camber is expressed in highways. Both are the same. Camber or cant is the cross slope provided to raise middle of the road surface in the transverse direction to drain off rain water from road surface. Now I will show you what are the objectives of providing a camber. Surface protection, especially for gravelled and bituminous road. Subgrade protection by proper drainage, quick drying of pavement, which in turn increases safety. So a proper camber is provided to the road section. This is the proper camber in which the center is raised as compared to the edges. So due to which if there is a raining, then the rainwater will easily go into the side drain and preventing the water to percolate through the layers of the pavement. If the water percolates through the layers of the pavement, then there is a deterioration of the road. Too steep slope is undesirable. When we are giving a slope to a road, so at what percent the slope should be provided? 2%, 3%, or how much? So there is also a restriction for the cross slope. If I have provided too much steep slope of 7% or 8%, then how a vehicle can travel through such road? I have explained in this point. It will erode the surface. Due to the too steep a slope, transverse tilt of the vehicle causes uncomfortable side thrust and the drag on the steering of automobiles. Also, the thrust on the vehicles along the pavement edges is more, causing unequal wearing of the tires as well as road surface. Discomfort causing through of the vehicle when crossing the ground during the overturning process. When the vehicle is overturning from when the vehicle is from of in this lane and it has to overtake the front vehicle, then it has to come on this side of the lane, and this is the topmost point. If we are providing this type of camber, then it is very difficult to overtake the vehicles, and it will lead to uh, overturning or any road erosion. So too much steep slope is undesirable. Problems of toppling over the highly laden bullock carts and trucks. Tendency of most of the vehicle to travel on the center line. As I have stated before, the toppling of the heavy loaded vehicles and bullock carts will occur, and most of the vehicles have the tendency to travel at the center of the road when the road is empty. Our next topic is the profile or shape of cross slope. The common type of cambers are parabolic, straight, or combination of them. Parabolic or elliptical shape is given so that the profile is flat at the middle and steeper towards the edges, which is preferred by fast-moving vehicles as they have a frequently crossing across the ground line during overtaking process on a two-lane highway, as I have discussed this before. So these are the profile of the camber. First one you can see it is parabolic camber, as the equation applies, that is the slope is 1 in n, that is the vertical and the horizontal. This is the straight line camber, and the equation is W upon 2n. And this is the combination of straight and the parabolic camber. Here the central portion is parabolic and the edges are straight. Most of the When very flat cross slope is provided, as in the cement concrete pavement, straight line shape of the camber may be provided. This type of camber profile is adopted in rigid pavement, that is the CC pavement. The cross slope, this is slope, the cross slope for shoulder should be 0.5% steeper than the cross slope of adjoining pavement, subject to a minimum of 3%. If the cross slope is 2%, then the shoulder here should be 3% slope. For providing the desired amount, the shape of the camber templates or camber boards are preferred with the specified camber. The camber boards are used to check the cambers at site. Camber is measured in 1 in n or n%. Example 1 in 50. That is 1 vertical is to 50 horizontal, or 2%. 1 in 50 is nothing but 2%. And the value depends on the type of the pavement surface. If there is a flexible pavement, then 2.5% camber is provided. If there is a rigid pavement, then 2% camber is provided. The values suggested by IRC for various categories of pavement are given in the following table. So these values are from IRC. As I have said earlier, for heavy rain it is 2% concrete and bitumen, and light rain is 1.7%. 1.7% is not an adequate camber slope in highway design. We give a minimum 2% slope for a CCU pavement and 2.5% for a bituminous pavement. These values are adopted widely in India. WBM road or gravel road, for a high rainfall it is 3% and 2.5% for light rainfall. Earthen road it is 4% and 3% camber. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Ekeeda.